It's right at a 3-hour drive, and it is turning into a 6-hour drive very quickly. We're Mallory and Ben from That Thing You Duo.
This year we will visit over 20 states playing music along the way,
while living in our RV full time.
so click subscribe and follow along.
What's up, guys? Today is day 68 of vlogging every day for 365 days, and we are so glad you're here.
Yes, we are.
We have spent the afternoon riding around Ben's hometown of Houma, Louisiana for the last time until we come back to visit, which we're not quite sure when that will be. I got to see where childhood Ben would just run around and play, so that was a lot of fun.
God, that's a good boy.
Okay, so we've had this cooler the entire journey, and I've tried to get rid of it so many times. And we're returning his cousin's cooler, and we're just giving him both because we're done. We love laundry. Ben, do your laundry dance. That's your laundry dance?
Yeah, I gotta warm up because I gotta stay in the awkward position and fold clothes and make my back and my shoulders hurt.
He's not folding any clothes. Good boy. Upon further investigation, we see 2 tow trucks. That's it. What's up, guys? Today is day 69 of vlogging every day for 365 days, and we are so glad you're here.
Yes, we are.
We're in the worst traffic that we've been in during the journey this far, right?
Yeah.
So we are going from New Orleans to Gulf Shores, Alabama today. It's right at a 3-hour drive, and it is turning into a 6-hour drive very quickly.
They closed off the Mobile tunnels. They closed off I-10 that crosses over the river area, the Mobile, the water area. I don't know what the river's called.
So they started with closing off the bridge at I-10. When we got about 45 minutes away, I got a notification saying that the bridge was closed. So it gave us a different route. We realized that they was gonna send us through a tunnel, and this tunnel is not available for RVers. 12-foot clearance, and we're right at 10.5 feet. We cannot risk that today, so pull over, figure out which route was going to be the most beneficial for us. We hope everyone's okay. There was a pretty bad wreck on the bridge, and so we hope that everyone's gonna be fine, and we are just going to get there when we get there. This is what a travel day is for, you know? We don't plan anything else on a travel day except the goal to get to our destination. So we may be there later than we thought, but we are getting through it, right?
Yeah, slow and steady.
Slow and steady. Guys, we're moving! Finally, after like nearly 2 hours of going 30 miles an hour or less, we are moving. Good news, guys, we are not the smallest camper here. If that's you, hello. We made it here to Fort Pickens and got settled, and Ben has had his childhood dreams come true. Tell him.
Park ranger.
Stop.
Again. I had to renew my license after 30 years.
So when he was a kid, he got this badge, and he buddied up with the park ranger and got a new badge.
It's pretty awesome.
Dreams do come true out in the wilderness, people.
Put it on?
Yes, please put it on.
How's it look?
It looks amazing.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Hold on.
No, you have no authority here. What you doing?
Gathering wood.
Just 2 guys by a fire.
One's a park ranger.
Alright, we
Don't forget. Don't forget.
Alright, I got
Don't
it.
forget.
You have lost your mind.
To be thankful.
Broccoli, celery, gotta be thankful. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we're all settled in. Why are our heads so close together?
Gotta be
Thankful.
VeggieTales. What's up, guys? Today is day 70 of vlogging every day for 365 days, and we are so glad you're here.
Yes, we are.
So we made it to Fort Pickens today, and we're gonna do like the self-guided tour that they have. Come along and let's see what historic information we can find out, right?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome, let's go. Or here, maybe this is it. They have a little booklet that you can get, and then each like destination tells you.
Furniture such as a bed to sleep on and a desk to write letters made a soldier's life away from his family easier.
Ben said this was the kitchen.
Maybe a little stove area.
He found number 3.
So it's set in a semicircle so the cannon could move like this.
Uh-huh.
And then these holes over here, they could keep firing, and this would ventilate the smoke. This would also, they could also fire out of this.
I feel like I got a personal tour guide.
Mine battery room.
Ooh, we're going into a mine?
Minefield was deployed during the Spanish-American War and remained in use until 1920.
I don't know about this. It's about to get really dark.
We're gonna go down?
Are you going in there?
Come on.
Oh no, I did not sign up for this. Man, it's dark.
Come on.
Okay, I'm coming, quick. Okay, this is scary. What's back there?
The mine chambers.
It just ends.
The tunnel system has 3 chambers, each designed to hold 1,027 pounds of gunpowder. If the fort was breached, the defenders could blow up the chambers as a last resort, collapsing the walls on the enemy. Wow.
Just to show you.
Those were made for me.
These are the 3 chambers, 1 here and 2 there. But you had to really crouch down.
7 is the shelf support, still a mystery. These concrete shelf supports may have been for equipment, for the minefield, or battery Pensacola. Are you guys paying attention? These concrete pads supported generators, engines, switchboard, and storage batteries installed in 1903. Coal-powered generators provided additional electricity for lighting. So you have stuff here. Hey, this is some kind of
They'd hang it up there.
some kind of electrical situation up here. Also up here.
I feel like this is where like Harry Potter was filmed.
No. Harry Potter.
Okay. Then, nothing's right there.
Oh my God, are your fingers okay?
It was worth it. I love you.
Are you learning a lot over there?
I am. It's awesome.
I feel like I'm really on a history field trip out here with him, giving me all the facts and stuff.
Come on this way.
What a large class we have.
I'm here.
I don't know what that is, but you probably shouldn't go in there. Stop, Ben. What is in there? Is it empty?
Yeah. You sure?
Yeah, don't go in that.
Come on.
No, Ben, I'm not going in that. I'm not. Bye, Ben. It's darker in real life. I don't know why the camera's showing it pretty light, but this is pretty dark.
On Liz, let's go.
What?
Go, go, go.
What'd you see? What's back there? What was back there?
I don't know. I thought I saw something.
Stop. Okay, so this is where they would collect water. Rainwater. That's pretty deep.
Yeah. found a secret little stowaway staircase.
I don't think you should go down there. Seriously, I'm not doing this again. Ben. Well, it looks like Ben has found his new home.
That's not nice. I don't want to go in there.
It's the jail cell.
Hey, just pass me the keys. Pass me the keys. You let me out there for real?
Huh?
Let me out.
No.
Out.
It's unlocked. That was a little too sketchy for me, I'm not gonna lie. Were you freaked out at all?
No, I've been there before.
I married a criminal. Okay, final one.
Okay, so 16 is where Robert Air Condition designed his first air. Look at that. So that's been here since 1823? Wow, that's amazing.
Okay, did you have fun?
Sorry, I'm still reading. I did. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me and my cousins and my brother, and we would tear this place apart. Everything is said.
Obviously not, because it's still built.
Yeah.
We are headed to see another beach sunset. When you have the opportunity to, you definitely should. That right there, my friends, is the fridge. The fridge is making another appearance. Don't forget to be thankful. See you tomorrow. Bye.